Hello. Welcome to the final project presentations for this winter's interaction design class. As most of you know, because most of you are students in the class, this week we had 186, or this year we had 186 students work in teams of 3 on quarter-long projects. We followed a human-centered design process, so we started out with need finding and storyboarding and paper prototyping. And so every single week, these design teams had a new project that they, or a next step in their quarter-long project that they worked on. It's a really fast pace, the quarter. There's just no time for anything. And I'm amazed by what a lot of the students have come up with. So actually, to start out, can we give a round of applause for all the posters today? And in just a moment, we're going to have each of the student project teams come up and give a 30-second pitch of their project work for the quarter. And you'll know that your time is up when you hear the clapping, and also because the next team is going to be breathing down the side of the stage, ready to come on also, so you don't need to eat into their time. And so if you hear the clapping, you need to exit the stage. Your time is up. The good news is that after we go through all of our pitches, which are really fun, and give all of you a chance to see what everybody's worked on this quarter. You got to see your own studio. Now you get to see everything. And after this, then we'll walk around and we'll get to see the posters. If you're a guest or if you're one of the students that's not demoing at a particular point in time, you can walk around and see anything. The teaching staff and the jurors all... the last juror who's arriving right now. The teaching staff and the jurors each have half a dozen projects that they are assigned to visit. And so if you see one of the jurors walking around, don't wrangle them to your poster until they've had a chance to visit their posters. And that ensures that every single one of these posters is going to get visited by two teachers and or jurors. And so you might get 2 teaching staff, a teaching staff and a juror. We have different combinations, but you'll get 2 official visitors to your poster for everybody. And so let those folks do that first. And we have iced tea and lemonade in the back if you'd like a beverage at the end of the presentation session as you walk around for the posters. And are there any other announcements? I have one announcement I'm going to make at the end of the presentations, but is there anything else I should say? Oh, right. Apropos of my device beeping with Arlene's arrival, if you have anything that beeps, now is a good time to turn it off. And in fact, because we're going to be doing live demos of projects, you'll see what I just did is I put my device in airplane mode. And please, if you have something that you're not demoing, please don't be on the Wi-Fi or cellular network, because all of the student project teams that are demoing, so if you need the device for a demo, you can be on the network. If you have a device that doesn't need to be demoing right now, and that includes all of us jurors, we should turn it off so those bits and IP addresses are available to those who are demoing. And I think with that, we're ready. Enjoy the show.
Welcome, everyone. My name is Nida Hussein. This quarter, my studio had the theme of exchange. So I have 10 teams that have done amazing work this quarter, all around the topic of any type of exchange that can be tangible or intangible. We have apps that have finding people to jam with or finding new trails to explore in San Diego. And I'm going to let them speak for themselves now. So let's give them a round of applause.
We have been to all the trails on Yelp.
You should use HiQ. It's great because I can share my morning routes with you. In addition to that, I can share the music I listen to, the photos I've taken, and warning for potential grizzly.
Hey, I think I just found the trail to Scott Clemmer's heart. It says to bring a lot of sunscreen and water because it's burning with passion. Are y'all down to go?
Yeah!
Most tourists only stop by the main attractions of a city. Very few actually get to explore the city they're visiting, and doing so takes extensive planning and leaves no room for spontaneous adventures. With Trouvaille, you can explore any destination like a local. You can find locations in real time, make friends with locals, and truly get to know the city from the inside.
Howdy. So I was hiking through the hills of Mexico, and I got the idea, wouldn't that be great if there was a geologist that could teach me about kind of the local rock formation and environment, sort of like a mentor. And then we got thinking, why isn't there an app that caters specifically towards mentorship? So we decided to create and develop a lovely little app called Owl, which facilitates that exchange between the individual experience and perspective while encouraging mentor-mentee relationships. Thank you.
The previous is our slide, actually. Yeah, that's one.
Don't you just hate when you have to repeat your phone number and your social media usernames over and over again? Well, Easy Contact X provides a global database for its users to store their contact info and their social media profiles. It allows users to selectively share the exact info they want with the exact people they want, helping them manage their contacts across all their different accounts. With this one contact book to rule them all, you can now exchange contact information much more efficiently. Thank you.
I am so jealous of my friend Jen. She has a mentor who can help her professionally. The majority of my friends and I need a way to be matched with mentors who are actually interested in helping us.
I've emailed and reached out to uninterested professors, and I'm tired of it. I think that professionals should have a way to find a mentor.
MentorMe can help. Students put in the information and can automatically be paired with mentors. Students and professionals get to pick who they like to message and meet.
Can we have students from Chen Studio lining up behind them, please? Thank you.
So you don't have money? You don't like bargaining with other people? You just have items that you want to get rid of? Well, our app offers a solution to you. You can see what other people have posted, you can post your own items, and it does so without requiring that you have money or a bank account. And you can trade anything you want as long as it's legal. Junker, your trash is our treasure, and it's probably someone else's too.
Have you ever been so busy that you wish you could be in two places at once? It happens to everyone. And society could be much better off if we could share our time by helping each other out. With Favor for Favor, you can ask for a favor when you need it most and accept a favor for your friends to do for your friends when you have some time to spare. Finding someone via Facebook or text is inefficient, but Favor for Favor is an efficient hub for social altruism that makes it easy to ask, receive, and give back.
If you've ever been in a group project, you know how hard it is to If you've ever been in a group project, you know how hard it is to stay organized, motivated, and on track. There needs to be an alternative for exchanging group information than through the swamps of messages through apps like Facebook.
With Weavy, turn your group project into a visual adventure where you and your teammates work to conquer your assignments. In your adventure, each task becomes a foe that you slay in a real-life virtual environment. With Weavy,
we venture.
We venture.
Musicians need a streamlined way to connect and communicate with one another. Let's say that I'm a rapper and I have this fresh new track on my mind, but none of my friends produce and all my friends listen to country. Ew, country. But this is where Harmonize comes in. Harmonize is a musical matchmaking platform that uses your genre and location preferences to find you the perfect soulmate so that you guys can make music in harmony. Thank you.
UCSD college students need a way to access quick, flexible help for their studies in a way that it accomplishes towards their schedule. Our product, Tuber, or Uber for Tutors, provides a service that connects students with great tutors in real time, no matter when they want and whenever they want.
As a result, our app brings help directly to you, something that contemporary teaching cannot do. Tuber, wherever, whenever, you need to know it now.
Sorry. Hello, everyone. My name is Chen, and I am the studio leader for the AI Studio. So today, big names in tech are bringing low-cost, cloud-based AI services to everyone. And with this low-cost AI services, daily design challenge can be solved easier and better and faster. So it's time to find out how 5 teams are using these AI services to redefine an entirely new generation of apps that can see, hear, listen, and understand, even interact with the world around us. Let's find out.
Now more than ever, we use pictures to capture amazing moments and share them with friends.
But with the crowded social network market, it's hard as ever to gather your photos in one place, organize them, and find the photos you're looking for.
Which is why we built Album, taking all of your pictures from all of your platforms and bringing them into one place. We use computer vision to analyze each photo and automatically apply tags. We use voice commands to make it easy to filter through those photos, find the specific photo you're looking for, and share it with any friend you'd like to in just a snap. Thank you.
The way you dress is a way to say who you are, but like many creative tasks, it's hard and time-consuming.
eWear provides you a solution to efficiently dress well. We use AI technology to find the best matching outfit in your closet that's weather appropriate.
The app is designed to be your personal closet assistant by giving you the best outfit. We believe with eWear, everyone can be a model.
All right, multiple research studies have shown that tone and emotion in professors is very important when it comes to the education of students, but students don't have data to that analysis. However, existing services such as Rate My Professor only provide an arbitrary rating to the professor. So therefore, we developed analysis to let students take matters in their own hands and use the data to see what classes they should pick. Thank you.
All right, 70% of college students are tired of one-night stands from Tinder and desire more serious relationships. But the problem is, personality-based dating apps like OkCupid do not cater to a younger demographic. That's why we built Edgar. Edgar is a dating app that both targets young people and delivers quality matches based primarily on your personality rather than your looks. Using advanced AI, Edgar analyzes your personality, predicts who you'll be compatible with, and finds you the love of your life. Thank you.
Have you ever been interested in a Facebook event but didn't show up anyway? It happens to all of us. There are just so many obstacles involved in going to an event. Introducing UC Pool.
UC Pool uses artificial intelligence to arrange rides to Facebook events, optimizing the most efficient routes possible and making the matching process more efficient and safe for the users.
UC Pool also looks at your Facebook interests and matches you with other people that are interested in the same things as you are, so you have more common things with the people in the same car. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Kandarp and I'm the studio leader of the next 5 teams which will be coming on stage. So my studio brief was status quo, and that is about things which we kind of do in our daily lives but don't really realize that they are not as optimal as they could be. So while optimal is not the right word, but the whole point is that you're trying to find efficiencies in your daily routines and try to improve them. So let's see what the next 5 teams bring us.
Have you ever got up from a long time of work and felt a sharp back pain? Ow. People tend to ignore body signals such as pain or fatigue when they're too focused on their task at hand.
Our app, Habit Rabbit, provides a way for people with busy schedules to get in the habit of doing simple exercises every day. While there are already other workout apps out there, Habit Rabbit is unique in that you can choose a specific body part and find the exercise you need.
There are many moments and feelings that in life that we would like to collect, but we are often too busy or too lazy to keep track of them. And the idea of keeping a physical diary can be intimidating too. So with our app, Mihao, we can easily record our precious moment through words, photo, and voice recording. It also provides notification to remind us and a timeline for us to look back. So next time, if you want to start a diary, Mihao might be just right for you. Thank you.
Jeremy students, please align on the left of the stage. Thank you.
Looking to get connected and get out more? Plug in with Event Queuer to add events to your Google Calendar without the manual effort. Simply scan an event QR code in our easy in-browser app, and we'll add the details to your calendar for you. Marketing an event around campus? Create a unique QR code to modernize your flyer advertisement. Bridge the gap between planning in the physical and virtual worlds with Event Queuer. Thank you.
For makeup users of all experience levels, it can become easy to get stuck in the same everyday routine. These users need access to an efficient and customized way to switch up their everyday look while also learning more about proper makeup application techniques.
Our web app, Glow Up, takes into account user preferences as well as makeup that they have on hand and provides a customized makeup look to satisfy their unique needs, saving them from having to comb through thousands of search results.
Get the look you want faster with Glow Up.
Jeremy, can you come to the stage?
Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy. My studio is Ujima, which is one of the Kwanzaa principles, which means collective responsibility and work. And so all of my apps are crowdsourcing based, and I'll let them tell the rest.
Nowadays, people are constantly in their own little worlds, barely interacting with one another. Our app, Come Together, focuses on cultivating community involvement and local projects. We were inspired by the potential users of crowdsourcing platforms such as Meetup or Indiegogo. Come Together, while our competitors focus on more individualistic and/or monetary-based needs, Come Together focuses on community works that benefit local citizens in their immediate area and provides people.
When you're watching the Westworld, have you ever wondered what the fuck is a maeve? And then you have an idea you want to share with, but there's no one. So we built an app, Chatty. You can connect with everyone at the same time. So you can search through our app and find out the program very soon, and then you can connect with everyone. Chatty connects everyone.
How many times have you wasted food because you forgot you had it in your pantry or you bought the same thing from the grocery store as your roommate? Well, our kitchen solves this problem uniquely, unlike other personal organization apps, by allowing you to collaborate with your roommates and, what am I going to say? This allows users to create group pantries with friends, specify items as shared or private, and get expiration notifications, all with the goal of mind of limiting waste and optimizing use.
Students from Business Studio, please align on the left.
If there's anything that requires time and planning, it's finding a mover. Previously, you had to own your own truck, ask people to sacrifice their own time, or spend money on professional services. Now you can have a mover directly at your door in minutes, allowing you to get your life on the road. Not only does WeHaul reduce stress and time planning in finding a mover, but it allows you to customize your service with additional equipment and moving assistance that traditional services do not offer. So remember, WeHaul, the crowdsourced moving solution.
As Norwegians coming to the US, we noticed that most people drive alone for their daily commutes. We are Commutolini, and we have developed a ride-sharing app for students' daily commutes. Unlike other ride-sharing apps, our app is based upon reciprocity, leaving the money out of it. We have our own point system for handling the transaction of rides between users. So the more you drive, the more you can ride. Our solution will make traffic lighter, parking easier, and commuting more fun. Go commute.
Our app, Harmonic, lets people passively find new music by listening with other users. You can jump into a room and not only add your favorite songs, but listen to your fellow roommates' favorite songs as well. So imagine a party where nobody needs to bother to DJ, or a car ride where nobody needs to fight over the aux. With music services like Spotify or SoundCloud, you can statically interact with others by following them or liking their tracks. But with Harmonic, you can experience real-time social dynamic interaction. Harmonic.
Let's listen.
Together.
Hey everybody, so I'm not Vincent, but he's busy outside, I think still trying to find parking. So I'm going to be introducing his brief for you guys. His brief is learning. With the rise of technology, now more than ever is it easier to access online learning tools such as MOOCs, as well as the access to online study aids. And so, without further ado, here's Vincent's studio.
As fellow students, we all experienced cramming for a test, spending hours at a time trying to fit the entire quarter into our mind. Current flashcard websites like Quizlet don't have features that promoting periodic memory reinforcement.
Enter QuizSmart, where you can test yourself on what you studied over the course of a whole day, rather than all at once. All you need is a phone. Just make the quizzes, put in your digits, and QuizSmart will send you questions periodically via text. Studying gradually makes it easier to stay motivated and manage time. Check it out this finals week.
Course material is so scattered, just checking announcements is a chore.
There's at least 3 course websites every quarter, and some of them use TED for grades when they're using GradeScope or GradeSource.
Additionally, the only place to keep track of your GPA overall performance is my Charter link. It's also overwhelming.
With StudyArt, you can see all the resources at one place. No clutter, choose StudyArt.
Lifestyle changes are daunting, and the gym's learning curve can be intimidating for anyone starting out on their own.
Our app, Total Body Development, or TBD for short, is an easily accessible platform where users can manage their routines without being overwhelmed.
A user who's not familiar with fitness jargon can easily navigate through the domain, which is far more complex than other large-scale apps.
Our app visualizes workouts and allows users to develop their own routine and body within their own comfort zone.
students from Brock Studio, please be prepared on the stage.
Alright, our team is proud to present UX to Learn, a user experience brainstorming app developed to help beginning UX designers understand the fundamentals of the design process. Through a simple guided interface, we bring together educational videos, thought-provoking examples, and informative websites to help users learn core design concepts such as need finding, ideation, and storyboarding. If you're excited to learn about UX design brainstorming, check us out at UX to Learn. Had our poster right there.
Despite being the 16-year-old game, Super Smash Bros. Melee has one of the largest esports communities in the competitive gaming scene. Our team, the con artists, created Melee Stats, which aims to help players improve their skills. Due to the age of the game, there's a lack of tools and support, so we decided to create a companion app to be used while practicing. Melee Stats features a technique trainer to help master the various moves of the games, as well as a stat tracker in order to find your strengths and weaknesses within your playstyle. Thank you.
Have you ever pulled an all-nighter frantically trying to finish an assignment due the next day? Or have you ever been so busy you just forget about a deadline? We've all been there. That's why we created Study Time, an app made for students, by students, to help limit procrastination and organize all of your deadlines and assignments on a single mobile platform in the palm of your hand. Unlike other time management applications, Study Time helps students by breaking down each individual assignment into smaller, less intimidating checkpoints to help limit procrastination and pursue the task more effectively. Planning your study time has never been easier.
Have you ever wondered if starfishes can smile? Us too! Today I Learn is an interactive learning platform that helps curious individuals like yourself quench your thirst for knowledge. Today I Learn pulls from a live, updated pool of most popular facts curated by the Reddit community. With additional features like direct source viewing and automated Google search, we make sure you learn the facts that people most cared about. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Robert Gougelet. I led the mindfulness studio, and the way I defined mindfulness was real-time awareness of one's own body, thoughts, feelings, and actions. And it's a really subtle and difficult theme for the students. It took the Buddha many lifetimes in order to learn it, and they only had 10 weeks, and I'm really proud of them. Without further ado, mindfulness.
Connection is a basic human need. Having a strong community is one of the most powerful things to have in your life. Our application aims to build a community where you can meet like-minded people.
Sangha tracks the goals you write down and use them as a beacon to find others to connect with. Focusing on functionality and a minimalistic design, Sangha aims to be simple to use yet effective in your everyday life.
We utilize self-reflection and connecting with others to help people be more mindful of their goals. We understand that the journey to your goal can be very difficult, but with Sangha, you don't have to do it alone.
As a busy student, a fridge full of condiments and 10-day-old chicken breasts can be a familiar sight. Don't forget about the ground beef you bought a week ago, which is now nothing but gray and brown mush.
With a tempting trip to McDonald's just a few minutes away, it can be difficult to be mindful of what you eat. So Cooktop guides you through the process from getting stuff into your pantry to actually cooking what you want to eat.
Simplify pantry management by tracking what food you have and what you need, and then find a recipe tailored to your taste buds and your pantry. Get on top of your cooking with Cooktop.
We are Evoke. We believe people do not know exactly what to be mindful of, so we provide direction through guided microjournaling. Users receive questions such as list 3 memorable moments from today or list anyone who's inspired you recently. The key point of differences for Evoke are that it fits into any routine, the daily nature of it creates a habit, and it allows space for reflection. All of this aims to evoke daily a state of mind that promotes mindfulness.
People often neglect their hobbies because they are unaware of the constraints their hobbies entail and of the free time they have in their schedule.
Keep in Mind allows users to input breaks in their schedule as well as the constraints in regards to their hobbies.
Other calendars and planning apps such as Google Calendars focus on when people are busy and when they have tasks and appointments. In contrast, Keep in Mind focuses on when people are free and allows them to visualize the constraints that come along with their hobbies.
Use Keep in Mind to become more aware of what you want to accomplish and of the constraints that could prevent you from doing what you love.
Intention, an aim or a plan. Too often are we so focused on results that we fail to think before acting, especially in times of stress. Blue Sky offers insightful questions to promote judgment-free thinking and reflection about our intentions. With Blue Sky, we reach a new level of awareness and mindfulness of our everyday actions, clearing away the clouds of obscurity and bringing about a clear blue sky.
I had a terrible day at work. Oh, there's so many things to do. What do? I need a vent. I need a friend. Good thing I have my application Marimon.
Having trouble keeping track of your emotions? Marimon encourages positivity by smiling based on how positive you are.
Are you having trouble with choosing what to do? Don't worry, Marimon will help you make up your mind. Just write to-do list and Marimon will study for you. Thank you, Marimon.
Thank you, Marimon.
Being unprepared for school or work in the morning when you're disorganized can be stressful, physically and mentally, especially when you have a messy closet.
Outfitter can help. In a few easy steps, Outfitter catalogs your clothes into your own virtual closet. Going somewhere and don't know what the weather will be like? Don't worry. Use our weather checker when you're planning your outfits. That way, you'll never end up with clothes that are ill-matched or not right for the weather.
We want to help you so that when it comes time to get ready, you aren't faced with the stress of the clutter in your closet and your mind.
Modern life can be stressful, leading to unproductivity and low happiness.
Mindfulness through yoga can reduce stress, but it may be too expensive or difficult for students. Those who've attempted to do yoga at home may find that other applications use a video interface, which leads to improper enlightenment.
Our app, UFlow, uses an audio-centered approach, providing comprehensive auditory cues such as lay your forehead on the mat and relax your upper body to encourage emergence and take your gaze inward.
Hi, this is Mindly, a stress tracker app. Current products on the market track your stress levels, but they don't track your schedule at the same time. Just last year, $44 billion were lost in the US due to low productivity. A study by Harvard found that 1 in 3 employees feel stressed and overworked. Our mission is to create a more productive society with happier people by providing users with a solution to track their schedules while we remind them to de-stress when they need it the most. We believe that better task management paired with better stress management can lead to a balanced and happier lifestyle. So be mindful. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Celia Durkin, and my studio was themed Empathy. Empathy Studio focused on minimizing distance between people by fostering understanding. It spanned from apps that increased awareness in the community to understanding about friends' conversations to speaking to people who had a different political view from you. They did amazing work, so let's give them a hand.
When your friends are busy and meeting up with strangers scares you, OpenInvite provides an alternate solution. OpenInvite encourages users to plan events with whomever it's most convenient. Unlike our competition, we focus on cultivating relationships between acquaintances by connecting you with cool people you've already met in your area. Users can search local events and invite others to participate. OpenInvite. Do cool things with cool people.
It's never too late to start a good studying habit, nor is it ever too early. High school is a prime time to start creating this positive and productive behavior. Multitasking, a Latin derivation of many, seeks to encourage this.
Multitasking turns labor into endeavor by organizing tasks to make them easy and fun through its unique manner of providing personal statistics and challenges to motivate uninspired users.
Kitchen is developing a new dining experience for hungry people. We're helping them find cheap, home-cooked food in their neighborhood.
Our app connects those who love food. Chefs may post food they've made and share with others, gain local recognition, and reduce food waste. Eaters may search food postings to order.
We cultivate a community where allow anyone to play an active role as a chef or food seeker. Pitch in the kitchen.
You take forever to respond. I always text you first. Heard this before? Uncertainty and miscommunications are avoidable with Smart Convo. Smart Convo presents your conversations alongside useful statistics such as average response time and the number of messages you've sent, allowing you to know more about yours and others' texting habits. No other app tracks and compiles this information. Without Smart Convo, you're left guessing. But with Smart Convo, you have an informed messaging experience.
For some, talking to people who they've never met is daunting, but by constantly challenging themselves into communicating with strangers, this could be dealt with. Our app, Small Talk, provides communicational tasks that ranges from simple gestures to verbal communications to challenge users to escape their comfort zone. In this way, it's easier to make friends. Thank you.
So people live in an echo chamber regarding their political beliefs. And so what Diversifriends does is it connects people with differing political views to foster open communication and reduce the echo chamber effect. Diversifriends is the only social network that's aimed at taking people out of their comfort zone and connecting them with people who are different from themselves. Thank you.
Nobody likes to argue, but sometimes it's difficult to avoid confrontation, especially when someone in a group isn't pulling their own weight. Our app, Affiniate, specifically focuses on the situation of a shared living space.
Affiniate is an app that ends these conflicts by focusing on the task rather than the user. Users are able to provide live, anonymous, emotional responses to tasks in order to produce productivity in their roommates. Thank you.
Young adults often find themselves wanting to make an impact in society, but aren't aware of ways they can do the difference.
With our app Aware a Day, users can learn how they can get involved with larger causes by joining with other active users in completing daily themed challenges.
Unlike other personal challenge apps that are more for self-interest, Aware a Day's challenges help spread empathy and encourage you to become an active participant in a community. Thank you.
Hey everybody, my name is Daniel and I am the studio leader for collaboration. Thank you guys. So with the increased usage of cloud-based software, we've reached really a level of collaboration like never before. And so throughout this quarter, we've explored different ways on how to make physical collaboration more efficient through the use of technology. And it's a hard thing to do. So without further ado, I hope you guys like their cool projects.
Whether you're on an 80-plus hour work hour grind, bored out of your mind, or looking for something fun to do with friends, Adventure U is the app for you. With so many social and hangout apps in the market right now, it's hard to find out which one helps you get out and have fun quickly and easily. Adventure U aims to give you, the user base, a social app that helps you get out and have fun quickly and easily. Share with friends your adventures, hang out with your friends in the future, and do it all in one simple single platform. Thank you.
Hi, have you ever traveled with a group of people? Have you had a hard time coordinating your travel plan? Have you found it difficult to reach an agreement about where to go and what to do and where to go? Our app, TravelN, can help you get rid of all the troubles. It gathers and selects interesting activities for you and your friends. It acts as a powerful organizer, listens to everyone's ideas, and helps you make decisions. With TravelN, all you will have is awesome travel experience and good time with friends. Thank you.
Have you ever thought, I wish my roommate would stop leaving his dirty dishes lying around the house? We have all had bad roommates and bad living situations. Introducing Chore Hero. Instead of waiting for that bacterial growth on your roommate's plate to turn him into the next supervillain, we have an app to fix that. It removes roommate confrontation and helps remind individuals of their personal responsibilities around the house. Create a house, set your chores, and let Chore Hero take care of the rest. See who is the hero in your house today.
Okay, so who here has planned their spring break already? Did you have trouble planning with your group of friends on where to go, what to do, etc.? Things can get pretty messy and complicated in a group chat online, and ideas can get lost in the thread. However, our trip planning app, Storm, can help you create a visual, collaborative brainstorming platform where you can see everyone's ideas. Basically, yeah, you can use it to, yeah, I messed up, sorry.
Have you ever wanted to do something but lacked the supplies or the people to do it? Let's say you want to play soccer, but wait, you don't have a ball. You tried using Facebook, but you realize you're limited to your own friend circle, if you have one. Okay. So, Intact lets you be a part of public events. Just browse through existing events for a soccer game. Let's say you didn't find one. No problem. Just use Intact to create your own.
Hey, are you all ready for finals? Oh, it's the end of week 10, which means that finals are right around the corner. And during this stressful time, students are binge studying an entire quarter's worth of material that they need to refresh on.
We designed Study Jam in order to avoid this binge studying. Studying regularly has been scientifically proven to help put information into long-term memory. So we promote this studying regularly with the use of collaborative quizzes and a point system.
There are plenty of note-taking apps out there, but none of them encourage you to study periodically quite like Study Jam.
Are lectures long and boring? Wait a minute, do you have an exam in 10 minutes? We are JamScript, introducing auto-translating, auto-generating transcripts in Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese. Anyways, you get the point. We are JamScript. Ask a question, edit a transcript, and make your podcast pitch perfect.
Do you guys hate it when nobody does their chores? With Chorus, we provide a collaborative way for you and your apartments to keep track of their chores and notify each other to do them. No more leaving passive-aggressive notes to each other on the kitchen fridge. By combining an easy-to-use UI with a fun way to keep track of all your different chores, we promise that you will never stress about your uncompleted chores again.
Finding group members is typically a tough task for many students, and this is and applications like Piazza and Slack don't particularly do a great job at this. This is where our application grouper comes in. With Grouper, you can collaboratively find groups that fit your personality, your schedule, and your project needs. We'll help you get the group members you'll want for any of your classes.
Hi commuters, how do you go to school every morning? Uber is too expensive, bus takes forever, and parking is impossible to find. Using our app, passengers can schedule a one-time pickup or quarter-long schedule with a student driver to on-campus locations. Passengers can offer anything they want in return, ranging from snacks to tutoring services. Furthermore, users actually friend and message each other through the app, so you're actually meeting new people. Let's use our app, have fun on the way to school.
Okay, so now I get 30 seconds. So I wanted to, let's give a round of applause to all of those talks. It was amazing. I think many students would be petrified, in fact, many of you probably are, to stand up in front of 200 people and speak, but I thought you did an awesome job. Those were really great. And you'll notice that shepherding all of those great student projects were all of the great TAs. And so I'd like for all 8 of our TAs, if you guys want to come up on stage just for 1 second and experience a round of applause. Wow, all right. So thank you all. In a lot of classes, TAs are behind the scenes or not having to do a lot of stuff, but as you saw today, they lead studios and put together their own brief, and the amount of work that everybody puts into this class is just huge. And so, as you heard from that applause, we all appreciate it. Thank you. And I wanted to introduce our 8 jurors. We have great people coming around to see the posters today. And so I wanted to introduce, we have David Kirsch, who many of you may know, famous as a cognitive scientist here. We have Steph Habif. If you all just want to stand up, and Regina Bernal, and Jan Borchers, and Peter DeOrsi, and UCSD recent alum Ashwin Khurana, and John Keys, and Arlene Harris. So I'm excited. My 30 seconds are up, as I saw. And have a lot of fun. Check out the posters, and I'm excited to see what you came up with.